Can I get a vanilla ice blended?
You want to do the big one?
No, I'll do the 24.
All right, whipped cream?
No whip.
All right.
And well, wait, the large is 525, right?
What's that?
The large is 525
Correct.
before tax.
Correct.
Can I get a large?
Job's paying them, so I ain't paying attention to what you're saying.
Go ahead and since we're gonna, you know, everyone's quarantined and whatnot, let's go ahead and do some maintenance. Quick oil change, probably get a little wash in today, maybe, hoping, so we'll find out, but let's do it. Alright guys, I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about something that I think my homie right here picked up very well, and I was very excited.
Yeah, I had to. Yesterday I was in a crisis with my oil filter, so I found this tool.
Crazy. So let's go ahead and check it out. Bam, right here. I don't know if anybody's told anybody, but if they did it and your friends did it, make sure they tell you that if you have any oil filter issues, pick up this tool at Harbor Freight for about what?
$9.99.
Exactly.
It's, $10.36 out the door.
Out the door with tax. You know, of course, tax is going to change applicable to your state. But all in all, stop by, pick one of these up. These are great. It locks up right here at the bottom. Go ahead and set it to the size that you need. It's going to be in an open fashion. You're going to go ahead and wrap it around the filter. Clamp. Get your game on. That's, you know, I just wanted to go ahead and spread that love to you guys today.
betraying them. It's twice as hard to get a job as paying them. So I ain't paying attention to what you're saying.
A few moments later.
boost that time you seen it?
I'd have to see it again. My bad.
No, you good.
I ain't mean to do you like that.
That's just me with the problem? Or
Yeah, we need to know what the deal is. Oh my god. She picks up like nothing though now. This shit dummy crazy. No lights coming on. She's really fucking with it.
wind her up, nigga. Wind her up.
Oh.
Out of here, folks.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wanted to go ahead and just, let you guys know that, we got a lot in play coming for the next few videos. We went ahead and ordered some parts from Subaru. So stay tuned, stay with us. We are, definitely working and dedicated to providing you a better experience each and every video. So I want to thank you guys so much, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.